Hello, beautiful people. My name is Jennifer, and you're welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be making vegetable soup. We're making use of spinach and ugu leaves for this soup. So first, we're going to season our washed meats. We'll season with salt, seasoning cube, onions, and stir them together. And thereafter, we're going to add stockfish. This is just to ensure the stockfish soften on time, and we're going to steam it just for a few minutes, and after that we're going to add some water to the meat and the stockfish and cook it further. Now it's time to prep the vegetable. First, I'm pouring the spinach in a bowl. I'm doing this in batches. You can use a bigger bowl and do it just once. I'm sprinkling some salt on the spinach, and thereafter I poured in boiling water on the spinach. I'm blanching it for a maximum of 2 minutes. Ensure you don't leave it more than 2 minutes. You can blanch it from 30 seconds to 2 minutes. After that, transfer your spinach to another bowl and add ice to it, or you can use very cold water. This is to stop the spinach from cooking further. Repeat this process for the rest of the spinach. Squeeze out the water. This way, you have more control over the amount of water you're introducing into the soup. You can as well add more water if you notice that the soup is too thick, but this way you'll be able to control the amount of water you introduce into the soup. Next, we're going to be slicing the spinach. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. Your support means a lot to me. Thank you very much. When you blanch your spinach, it's a lot more easier to slice compared to when you don't blanch it. It makes the slicing process a lot more easier. Next, we're going to be preparing our ugu leaves. We have to pluck out the leaves one after the other, and thereafter we are going to wash them thoroughly. Ensure you wash the ugu leaves thoroughly. Do this by sprinkling in some salt and wash several times. After washing the ugu leaves, we're going to slice them. Next, we're blending onions, Scotch bonnet peppers, and some crayfish. Next, cut the meat into desired sizes. That is, if you've not cut the meat before you cook them. This process can be done before boiling the meats or after boiling the meats. Now we're going to start the cooking process. Put the meat and the stockfish back into the pot. Add in some palm oil. Stir everything together. Pour in the blended mix, that is the blended onions, Scotch bonnet peppers, and crayfish. Stir them together. Add seasoning cubes and salt to taste. Cook for some minutes. Add the spinach. Stir them together. And thereafter, we're going to add a little bit of water and add our ugu leaves. Stir them together. Leave to cook for about 1 to 2 minutes and our vegetable soup is ready. The soup will continue to cook after you turn off the heat, so it's best to cook your vegetables briefly. It tastes so delicious. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. I will see you in my next video. Bye.